Hi, my name is Miss Neves, and I'm a sixth grade multimedia teacher here at South Belton. This is my second year at South Belton. Last year I taught theater here. Little about me is I am a dog mom to a blue heeler named Zuko, and some of my hobbies are going hiking, doing yoga, and I love reading books. So this is a little tour of my classroom. So I also am a huge nerd and I love Star Wars, so I have some Star Wars decorations. Uh, our brag boards for when students follow expectations. I give brag boards for our class rules, which are be kind, come prepared, and following directions. Let's see, here is the board where I post what is due for the week. So this week we have 3 assignments that are due. And here is where I will be posting some student work. Okay, and then CHAMPS expectations. So if students aren't sure what they should be doing at the time, I'll tell them what color to look at, and then they can check the poster and see what is expected of them. So multimedia is teaching technology skills. So we have a lot of computers in our classroom, but mostly we use the Chromebooks. So students are spaced off, so no one's sitting right next to each other. So we skip some seats between students. All right, so let me show you my Schoology page. Oh, and then over here is my shelf. You can see some buckets. When students bring their Chromebook charged and their ID, then they get a ticket, and then on Friday I pull it, and then a few people get a little special prize or a little special treat like a cool pencil or something like that. Just a little motivation. So let me show you Schoology. All right, so this is my Schoology classroom. It's organized by week, and I always try to put the most current week at the top. So week 2, then it's organized by day. So we do a lot of projects in this class, so sometimes we'll be working on the same project from day to day. So they just click on it and find the different folders based on what we've been working on. And then at the bottom is the discussion board. I change out the discussion board every week. This is where they can ask each other questions about the project or homework. They forgot like how to do a certain skill, or if they have a question for me, they can post it here, and then either I'll answer them or another student can answer them and help them out. And then, let's see, so if they open the folder, each day we have a PowerPoint. So they would open the PowerPoint every day, and then there's videos of me explaining if they're absent or if they're at home or they missed the Zoom for some reason. There's videos of me, there's links to videos of me explaining each skill. So even if they get home to do homework and they forget how to do something, they can go to the PowerPoint and then watch me re-explain it. All right, and then the assignment is underneath the PowerPoint. Whatever that PowerPoint was working on, then there's usually a blue square with a pencil. They'll click the assignment, and then there's a rubric, so they can see exactly how I'm gonna grade it. It'll go through my expectations, so exactly what they need in order to get a 100. Alrighty, well, I think that's about it. Right now we're working on cloud computing, which is using the cloud and storing devices and lots of different computer applications, like how to organize their Google Drive and how to, they're working on a role model informational flyer, so they're learning how to add images and edit their text and stuff. And then I'm excited to get into video editing and a little bit of photography soon. But yeah, we're gonna learn lots of fun technology stuff this year, and I'm very excited. All right, bye.